Yo, listen up, this is Major C, and it's time for resurrection rap. So you'll be aware, alert, and tune in touch, and know that Christ is the Son of God. Word. Yeah. Down with it. I got the deafest, freshest tale to tell on how Christ saved my soul from hell. We're stepping on the scene, one y'all know, we're going back 2,000 years ago. The disciples were on the set, yo, the posse was there in full effect. Jesus said the day will arrive when the Son of Man will be crucified, but on the third I'll be alive. You'll see me back in full capacity. The disciples just stood there shrugging, and for our homeboy must be bugging. But when Christ talks, you best be chill. He made the wind and the waves stand still, 'cause the Son of God don't pop no jive. If he said alive, he mean alive. Word up, it's fresh. Christ will rise from the dead. Word up, it's fresh. Christ will rise up from the dead. Yeah. Now the Pharisees hated Christ, it's true. They says he's just not down with the crew. He talks of love, he's raising a fuss, he's leaving allegalities crushed in the dust. He heals on Sunday, and what's more, he casts out demons. This dude's hardcore, he slams religion, he just won't chill. He's wiping away the grin on my grill. So the team and dream schemed a solution and plotted out their retribution. They got a plan they thought was sly, and they said this